stud broke in my cylinder head. I have this extractor tool where I can hold it on place of the bolt. And turn the direction to loosen it, and that closes those vices in. Then I can take a ratchet or a breaker bar, put a little pressure on it, and those vices clamp to the broken stud. And from there, you turn the direction to loosen. Now to loosen it, I use some channel locks and turn to right, the direction to tighten. So that breaks it a little. The vice still gonna be tight. A little tap persuades it to free up.